perception in the public that the DRDO is not open to privatization. But lately we've heard from the Defense Minister also and from the scientific advisor also that DRDO is into privatization. It's encouraging the public-private partnership. Could you comment on that, please?
Yeah, DRDO, right from all along, it has been maybe misunderstood fact. We have been encouraging private industries, but most of the time, DRDO has been the system integrator, and we have been using the private industries as tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 suppliers, major system, major industries, bigger business houses. We use them as tier 2 people, tier 2 suppliers.
Okay.
And media MSMEs, we have used them as tier 3, tier 2, tier 3. So
Could you name some of them which DRDO has started up lately?
yeah, because with the bigger companies is L&T. With
Okay.
L&T, we are working on large bridging systems.
What about the L&T artillery guns, sir? What is the progress on that?
Artillery gun system today, they have an imported system which they are offering as a part of.
It underwent trial also, is it?
And
true?
it has undergone trial from South Korean gun they have brought. They have teamed up with South Korean company.
Plus, we're also having the Kalyani guns.
That's Bharat Forge. They are into the beginning phases of they are participating in the next.
Immediate. We're already 30 years behind.
That's very
So, in what time frame do you think our mediumization will be through and the howitzers and the M777 will be coming through?
The M777 is an advanced stage, except a few issues about the offsets has to be sorted out, and that should come through any time. The second, with respect to the towed artillery gun, the user trials are already done. I think the Nexter and the LB, represented by L&T and Bharat Forge, they are under trials are getting over. I think they'll be under final report will be made, and then the CNC will go, and those guns we should get. That is
So, we should see them in the next 5 years,
next 5 years we should see the towed artillery guns.
as well as the medium guns.
As well as the medium guns with the mounted guns also we should be able to see. But now Army has taken a decision to go with only 155, 52 artillery. They are not going for any medium artillery.
Future of the Indian armament industry, is it growing or more tie-ups, more indigenization as we have said in the DPP?
Yes, definitely in the area of ammunition there is a lot of scope for Ordnance Factory Board to team up with private industries, source many of the components and do only the integration part with them. And there is a large requirement. We are moving into precision guided ammunition. So there is a lot
Are we
of
ready for that, PGMs?
PGMs, yes, we are ready, and then the armed forces are looking for PGMs, and it's for the industries, private industries, to take this initiative and tie up with the necessary partners abroad. And
So,
then
who are these private players? If you have
No,
named,
basically
you have
all-
named L&T one,
L&T,
Is
and
Tata also
Tatas,
there?
Mahindra,
Mahindra Systems?
Punjaloid, and these are the 4 major industries who are very seriously trying to get into
and they are good.
And they are good. All of them have proved themselves in their respective field. And L&T and Tata have more historical experience working with DRDO in the last 20-30 years. They understand the defense systems much better. And they have good set of team engineers, understand defense domain. Mahindra and Punjaloid are getting into the
They are
defense
entering
domain,
into it now.
entering into it. So they may take some more time before they...
But they're all world class.
They are world class. We have seen their R&D setup. We have seen their capabilities. They are definitely very
And
excellent engineering.
what about this the terms of secrecy? The private industry will be able to maintain the secrecy.
As somebody has said, most of the defense products, more than even 95% of them are not secret. So most of the information is available in the
Open domain.
Of course, there are within that some system 1 or 2% may be sensitive. That we have a separate class, or that part of it will be done by the government industry, and it will be given as a black box to the industry.
Okay, so that they don't fiddle with that.
They are not.
So that part is
that
looked
part
after.
is there. Secrecy part will take care of completely.
Right, sir. Thank you so much for talking to Show Report.